bebrule mundem. Compete na su ebere bebrule mundem. Compete.
Look at your girlfriend.
Baby.
Who is your baby?
Hey! Did you hear that?
Chai.
You heard it.
It's my low-class, broke-forsaken ex-boyfriend.
When did you break up with her?
I don't know. When?
Chai. Oh, you think I'll choose a man or a graduate engineer over oil and gas?
Imagine the kind of friends you keep. Who wears native and t-shirt together?
Chai.
Things have not go well.
Go where? Let's leave this place. Your swag go where? They are getting jealous.
Chai.
My guy, no reason now. I know it's very painful, but don't cry.
The last thing I will do is to cry over.
Don't cry.
Over a woman.
Is it because he's rich and you're poor?
I'm a G.
Is it because he has the kind you don't?
I go bad.
Don't forget about the girl.
I will.
Forget about her.
I'm a G.
Chai.
But do you still love her?
Eh?
Do you still love her?
If you like. If you like.
What are you doing?
Chai. Chai.
Ebere bebrule mundem. Compete na su ebere bebrule mundem. Compete na su ebere bebrule mundem.
Because can I have your attention, please?
Chai.
Testing the microphone. On true.
I hear
Flight 72271, boarding from Aba to Madagascar, 70 degrees above the oceans, on the speed of 180 km/h.
There is trouble. Is it one subode? The weight of the passengers in this flight is suppressing that innocent engine. Instead of ascending into the heavens, we are descending to where we know it not. And decisions have been taken that one person must go by parachute.
what's me keep on?
Is there any volunteer? Since nobody wants to volunteer, let me now call the aerobic vocal engineer to make his choice. Thank you.
What?
Chai.
Vamos! Aburumi! Longest time!
Did I disappoint you or let you down?
That's my ex.
Without the feeling guilty.
Akbamu, you know I still love you.
What?
Remember all the good times we spent together? How you used to cook for you, scratch your back, and suck your nose.
Getting me emotional. Stop it.
Remember all the crazy styles we did together?
What?
The cow style, the pig style, the crocodile style, and your favorite snake in the monkey shadow. Please don't choose me. Chai!
Akbamu, my beloved, you know I'm a man like you, and nobody's above temptation. In fact, she cast a spell on me, but now my eyes can see. Please, you can have her back. Take her.
I'm forgiving you and your babe.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bless you. You're indeed a brother. I'm forgiving you.